अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्. The strength of our army is unlimited, and we are safely marshalled by Grandsire Bhishma, while the strength of the Pandava army, carefully marshalled by Bhim, is limited. The commander-in-chief of the Kaurava army was Grandsire Bhishma. Apart from being an exceptional warrior, he had an extraordinary boon. He could choose the time of his death. This meant he was practically invincible. Duryodhan felt that under Bhishma's command, their army was undefeatable, whereas the Pandava army was secured by Duryodhan's sworn enemy, Bhim. Hence he started comparing his grandfather's strength with his cousin Bhim. Vinashakale Viparit Buddhi, as the proverb goes, which means that when the end draws near, egoistic people indulge in vainglory instead of being humble in evaluating their situation. This tragic irony of fate is reflected here in Duryodhan's self-aggrandizing statement that their army's strength secured by Bhishma was unlimited. This is a statement of pride, but also reveals internal conflict. Despite having Bhishma, a highly respected elder and warrior, Duryodhan feels the need to reassure himself and others of his army's superiority. Ironically, Bhishma's loyalty lies more with Dharma and the Pandavas than with Duryodhan. Moreover, labeling his army as unlimited is an exaggeration rooted in ego. Duryodhan overlooks the divine factor. Lord Krishna is on the Pandava side, and that makes all the difference. This verse reveals how ego can distort one's perception of strength. Real power does not lie in numbers or appearances, but in truth and righteousness. The Gita gradually teaches us to look beyond the material and see the deeper spiritual reality. Bhishma was also aware that in this holy war, along with all the great warriors of the world, the Supreme Lord Krishna himself was present. Lord Krishna was with the Pandavas, which meant Dharma was on their side, and no power in the entire universe could make the side of Adharma win. He had vowed to protect the kingdom of Hastinapur and its subjects, and to fulfill his responsibility towards them, Bhishma led the Kaurava army, even though he was aware of their wrongdoings. This decision of Bhishma accentuates his strength of character and enigmatic personality.